the Japanese particle to can work as a conjunction that joins two or more nouns. For instance, おじいちゃんとおばあちゃんは地獄の豪華をものともしなかった。おじいちゃんとおばあちゃんは地獄の豪華をものともしなかった。Grandpa and Grandma were not affected at all by the flames of hell. In this sentence, the subject consists of two individuals, Grandpa and Grandma, who are coordinated by the particle to. To can also link two or more nouns. 私とお兄ちゃんとお姉ちゃんは協力して50もの種を絶滅に追いやった。私とお兄ちゃんとお姉ちゃんは協力して50もの種を絶滅に追いやった。My brother, my sister, and I worked together to drive as many as 50 species to extinction. In this sentence, the subject is made up of three individuals. 私、お兄ちゃん, and お姉ちゃん. While in English, the conjunction and tends to be used only once at the end when three or more nouns are conjoined. In Japanese, to is usually not omitted. However, I said usually because if you do want to avoid repeating to too many times, you can actually omit to, especially when the number of conjoined nouns is large. For example, let's say we have 5 nouns, A, B, C, D, and E. In Japanese, these 5 nouns can be conjoined in any of the following 4 ways. 1. A と B と C と D と E. 2. A, B, C, D, E with no to. 3. A と B, C, D, E to appearing once at the beginning. 4. A, B, C, D, to E with to appearing once at the end. This is the end of today's episode. See you next time.